Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on Blender. Today I'll show you how to create a crate with normal maps baking in Substance Painter. Let's get started. Select all, delete, create a cube, zoom in, select the top face and the bottom face, press E and then S, then Z. Extrude it like this. Select these loops, E, S and then Shift Z. Now select all, then a little small. Rename it to low. Shift D, enter, Control I to select the low, hide it. Now change its name to high, the duplicated one to high. Go to edit mode, create two loops, individual origins. You can find it here also. S, X and 0. And in this direction also two loops, S, Y, 0. Select these two edges, these two and these full loops. Control B, bevel it, scroll up once to get another loop in the middle, left click, select the middle loops, S and then just a little bit like this. Then select the middle ones, here median point SX, just a little bit inside, resizing. You see, it is like looking like some detailed mesh. Add a modifier bevel. You see, change the segments to 3. 1.5 shades more thin. Change the segments to 4. Now you see it is in detail and its price is 10,300. But for the low, the tries are only 60. Now we change that 60 poly mesh into having all these details. So now export this somewhere, selected objects. Don't forget to tick this. Don't forget to unwrap this. Mark seam. Select the middle one. Mark seam. Select like this. U and U. You will get like this. Now export this. Create law. Save this blend file too. Open Substance Painter. Click on New. Select. Create law. Let it be like that. OK. Bake mesh maps. Select this. Create high. Bake default material mesh. Now you see, this is a 60 polygon mesh, but we got all the details. We have to texture it now. I am simply texturing some wood like this. Just change everything. If it is okay for you, just extract them. Just export the textures and add it. If not, change everything to triplanar. Projection here. Now Control Shift E, or you can go here, export textures. Great. Select folder. Let it be, the default will be like document channels plus normal AO. No alpha. PNG, everything should be like that. Export. Open output directory. You see all these maps. Go here, shader editor. New material. Create. Enable Node Wrangler. Don't forget that. Node Wrangler. I already enabled it. Don't forget to tick this. Select this principal BSDF. Control Shift and then T. Go to the texture folder. Select all. Deselect this. We want this map, not the empty map. Now you see, this got all the details we want. We will miss the AO map. We should create it manually. Image texture. Open. This is the AO. Color. Mix RGB. Attach this to the base color map. Color to color. Change this to multiply. Change this RGB to non-color. Add this. You can change the specularity. It's done. For checking, just create like this. Remove these. Now you see, both have the same details. This is a lot better optimized than the other one. Or normal maps like this. Save the blend file. Now with the 60, you can integrate this to the Unity game engine or the Unreal Engine.
Like, subscribe and comment. Your feedback is more valuable.